Hi, my name's Rick. I'm Abigail's father. Yay! Get back in the light a little better. And I've learned all kinds of stuff in my many years that have been very helpful. But to tell you the truth, the biggest help of anything I've discovered is YouTube. Doesn't matter what you need to do, YouTube will show you how to do it. So for example, my trusty little dryer here is not so trusty right now. It heats up to about 1/3 of the normal temperature. So it's gas. So how do you fix a gas dryer? Well, I've worked on electric dryers before, and they're fairly straightforward. In an electric dryer, you have a sensor that turns the heat coil on or off, and so either the heat coil or the sensors go bad, and that's usually the only problem you have to deal with. This gas dryer here, I'd never done much with. So I got on YouTube and I found videos. So the way a gas dryer works is you will notice this little port right here is a vent or a viewport, so you can see when the gas turns on. And the issue is it's supposed to stay on for, 2 or 3 minutes. So the way the gas dryer works is when it comes on, it starts turning the drum, and in the base is a circular fan, or often called a squirrel cage fan, because it's got little blades on the outside edge, like so somebody could get inside of it and run like a hamster wheel kind of concept. Okay, so it begins sucking air, processing the air, pulling it from the drum through the filter in the front, down and over past the flame of the gas dryer, then blows it back up through the back of the dryer, back inside the drum, and just so the air just circulates around inside of the dryer. That's how basically all dryers work. The difference between electric and gas is the electric heats up an electric element that heats the air, and the gas dryer actually has a flame. So you need 2 things to be able to fix virtually anything in your home. Well, maybe 3. A few tools, YouTube, and a little self-confidence. One of Abby's older brothers, Sam, whenever he faces a new problem, something he hasn't repaired before, and I ask him, can he do it? He says, Dad, some guy without a high school education has learned to do this. I can do it too. So that's what you need to be successful as a homeowner in making repairs on your home. A few tools, nothing too fancy, a few wrenches, a couple of screwdrivers, a couple of pairs of pliers, and YouTube, because YouTube will show you how to fix it all. You're so lucky to live in an age when you have YouTube. When I was a kid, no such luck. You called your uncle or your dad or somebody and you say, how do you do this? And he would tell you a little bit about it. Hope you find this enjoyable. Have a great class. Bye.